2, 3.
I like these three. I think I'm happy.
I kind of looked around for photography options. There wasn't really many. Langara was the one that got the most praise and people talking about it the most.
The Professional Photography Diploma program at Langara College is designed so that students cover 4 foundational areas in their education. They learn about camera, lighting, post-production, and business skills.
We are known for our technical training and our ability to prepare students for jobs in the industry or career in the industry.
Here in the program, they actually help each and every person get the growth they're looking for.
This student for both of these portraits, she did a really great job with the lighting here. She shot both of these in studio on campus.
We have 3 dedicated photography studios on campus. The studios are fully equipped with whatever they need, and when they borrow gear and bring them into those spaces, they can practice what they would experience in a professional studio setup.
I've been a natural light photographer for a while, and I wanted to have a deeper understanding of studio photography, and I feel like within a year, I love the studio now. I always want to shoot in the studio now, so it's been really great.
The equipment is whatever you can dream of is in the cage. You can just rent it out and use it. Perfect.
We have Fuji, access to cameras like Phase 1. We have macro tilt shift lenses, specialized macro lenses, octoboxes, softboxes, strip boxes.
2.5 years ago, I felt like there was this other world of photography. Felt like I had no access.
Prueba.
2.5 years later, I feel like the veil has come off completely. I understand how the industry works, who these people are, how I can actually become a part of it.
Ay, sí, qué padre.
First position, flash. Second position, flash.
I love that you don't have any limit, basically. So in terms of creativity. So if you have an idea, your instructors, they're always backing you up.
You get to learn everything from very start to the very finish, kind of get you into the industry, all here in the span of 2 years.
If you're interested in photography and a career in photography, we would love to have you come in, tour our studios, meet some of our faculty and students.